not just the RJD, but even when it comes to the leaders from the TMC are attacking the prime ministers, especially when it comes to the reference of consuming non-vegetarian food during Hindu holy months. After raising Tejasvi's fish clip, Mahua says that yes, some eat during Sawan better than BJP, especially when it comes to the consumption of non-vegetarian food is concerned. That happens in a certain section of Hindu communities as well, and especially during the time when there is the holy month that is being observed, be it of Savant, be it also now of Navratris that are now taking place. Let me go across to Adrija now. Adrija, what is the basic understanding that we are getting of the opposition now as far as the consumption of non-vegetarian food is concerned? TMC leader is also hitting back. Adrija?
Well, you see, the war of votes ahead of the Lok Sabha election is continuing, especially on the Twitter or social media handles, where we are seeing several opposition leaders are not only attacking the BJP, but also the Prime Minister. And in the latest, Mahua Moitra of the TMC have now come out and tweeted regarding this matter and have mentioned how, some people eat non-vegetarian food. Of course, attacking the Prime Minister, where questions were raised that he have consumed non-vegetarian food during the holy he does consume non-vegetarian food during the holy time or the holy month, and therefore, such things are being brought forward, and more wars and questions are continuing between the opposition leaders and the Prime Minister now.
Right, but even when it comes to such reactions that have been coming in, of course, on the consumption of non-vegetarian food, we've seen that happening in other party leaders as well, especially when it comes to the RJD. Adrija.
Well, yes, you see, we have seen non-vegetarian consumption happening in other parties, but at the same time, Prime Minister or the BJP is being attacked, especially several months, even in the Hindu religion, comes in where non-vegetarian food is not consumed.
Just stay on with us, Adrija. Shishir ji हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं. Let me go across to him. Sir, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी.
सर, आप क्या कहेंगे जहां तक अगर नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड की अगर बात हो रही है, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की तरफ से भी जो हमला किया गया था, आखिरकार बोलकर के जानबूझ के सनातन धर्म के ऊपर हमला किया जाता है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज और नेताओं की तरफ से. महुआ मोइत्रा भी सवाल उठा रही है, वो कह रही हैं कि आखिरकार हिंदू कम्युनिटीज में भी नॉनवेज कंज्यूम किया जाता है, तो इसमें गलत क्या है?
महुआ मोइत्रा जी ये पहले बार नहीं बोली है ऐसा, ये तो हमारे देवी देवताओं को लेकर भी टिप्पणी करी है. बंगाल में जो हमारे इष्ट देवी है काली जी, उन पे बोली है कि ये शराब पीती है, ये मांस खाती है. महुआ जी का ये आदत है, ये बार बार एक ही बोल रही है, और अब तो बौखला गई हैं क्योंकि अब इनको उनके निर्वाचन क्षेत्र में हार निश्चित दिख रहा है, तो बौखला गई हैं.
जी, धन्यवाद आपका शिशिर जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. सो दैट्स अ रिएक्शन कमिंग इन फ्रॉम द बीजेपी साइड as far as saying that there has been a concerted effort that has been by the opposition, especially when it comes to attacking the Sanatan Dharma and Hindu Vasta, and especially that is happening during the week that has now been observed as of Navratri.